Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on that video. This is going to be Between Sisters' very first reaction video, well, my first reaction video. And I will be reacting to Zhang Yixing's performance at Dragon TV's New Year's Countdown for his song, Lose Control. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, no. And before I get into the reaction video, I felt like I should talk a little bit about my journey with EXO. And I actually got into EXO really recently. I really got into them about mid-October of last year, so it's only been like 2 or 3 months. And so I've had a lot of catching up to do with them. And how I got into them was one particular EXO video. And that was the video of, I believe it was the performance at the 2015 Mama's Award. And, or 14, I can't remember. Chanyeol actually got off stage and the camera was focused on him. And he had sat down and he was shaking so much when the staff handed him a water bottle to drink, he couldn't even hold on to that bottle. And this boy was obviously really sick. But he got back on stage, killed that, just his part, killed that number. He was in sync with everybody else. And I was just really moved and really amazed at the passion and dedication and just darn willpower of these boys. So that was definitely how I got into EXO, and the rest is history, I guess. I also really like their vocals. They're really talented, not just as dancers, but they can sing the all the songs. So I think getting to know them in October, getting into EXO in October was really interesting because, of course, I had to catch up with everything they've done for the past 4-5 years. You know, they debuted in 2012. And so I had to catch up. There was a lot of things for me to catch up on. So I was still trying to learn about them as, you know, the original 12. And in October, Luhan came out with his Catch Me song that I loved. And then Chris also came out with his July song, which is, oh my God, been just on repeat for the longest time. And Lay also came out with his, he also debuted his solo album in October. So it was really interesting, you know, simultaneously see them as 12 and then also listening to them now as, you know, some members have left and have gone on with their solo career. So it was definitely something starting out as an EXO fan in October of 2016. And so I definitely have been away from K-pop for a very long time, because if you're talking to me about K-pop, I'm like going to be talking to you about like SES or like HOT, Xinhua, Baby Vox. Like that was K-pop to me. So I don't know anything about K-pop or the K-pop fandom, so it's been really fun just getting to know what the fandom's like now. And I love the fandom's humor. Like, it's freaking hilarious. I love all the terms you guys use. I had to learn all those terms too. So before we get to the videos, I think that I should tell you, right, who my bias is in EXO. And I have 2 bias, and that is a Dio. And also love Lay Zhang Yixing. That's why Zhang Yixing. That's why I am doing the reaction video to his performance. And then there's another term that I learned recently, and I learned because of this member. I understand why this term exists. And my bias breaker is Sehun.
Yes.
Sehun. Am I saying his name right? He's just there. He's just there. Like, it's so funny. Like, I'm like, you know what, Sehun, I have my bias list, you know, written out, it's set, you know, you can't sit with me and Lay and Dio, you can't sit with us, you know, but he's always there. He's so adorable. So I think he's working his way there. But so those are my biases. All right, so let's get on with the reaction. I know that was the whole point of the video. I'm like, what video are we doing again today? Okay, so I'm going to be watching Lay Zhang Yixing's Lose Control New Year performance live on Dragon TV. Okay, are you ready? I am ready. Okay. I love this song. You know what? I like Yixing when he has his hair up and out of his beautiful face. I love his voice. Love his voice. So cute. Like I can hear his voice anywhere and know exactly that it's Lay speaking. I You know what? There's a part in the song that he says you put your hair behind your ears or something, or I put your hair. I don't want either he did or she did it. And in the behind the music videos, the behind the music video, you see that he does this very like simple but very sexy gesture where he puts, when that lyric comes up. And I wonder why he doesn't do that in like the actual video. I mean, the actual performance is like so sexy. Hi, Casper. I see you. Like, Yixing is such a good dancer. Like, I would say like he's a really technical dancer. Like he hits all the beats like when he's supposed to, and like he's standing like next to the guy that choreographed this whole song, and he shines. Like he shines. I want to do like body rolls to him now. Oh, you know what? He needs to wear that red silk shirt, like that silk on silk shirt they had on the red one in the music. You know which one I'm talking about, the one in the music video. Like, he needs to wear that for a live performance. That's my favorite line in the whole song. Like, it's music, like literally music. That sentence is literally music. Water. Uh-oh. Yixing in water is trouble. I like how like nobody else is allowed to get wet except for Yixing. You see that? He's the only one getting wet. Oh my god, the stage is so cool. His shirt came off. Wait, isn't this like a family show? I mean, like, cause it's New Year's countdown. I mean, you seeing kids are watching this. I got goosebumps. Lose control. I really like it, guys. Oh, that was so good. So good. I got goosebumps watching that. Oh, I'm so proud of my Yixing. Precious unicorn. I like him. Precious lamb. Oh, so good. Hey, if you guys haven't already looked up the lyrics to this song, you should, but then you shouldn't. But you should. You should. It's the lyrics. It's something else in itself too. Look up the lyrics. And can I ask why the Magic Mike casting director hasn't cast an Asian male for the movie? I mean, come on. I think it's about time you give the world what it needs. I mean, what it wants. And I mean, if you guys only have, if your budget will only allow for Yixing to make a special appearance, that's good enough. We'll I'll start a petition and we can send it to SM Entertainment and we can get Yixing for the next Magic Bike movie, okay? All right, that's all. Thank you so much for watching my reaction video. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy the video too. This is my first reaction video, so let me know below what you guys think about my this video, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are a new channel on YouTube and we really appreciate your support. And I would also like to say out to the EXO-Ls, please welcome me to the fandom. I think I'm here to stay. I think I'm too far in to even turn back now, so I'm definitely here to stay. Please let me know like if there is any videos that me as a new EXO fan needs to have to watch. Like I've seen all their EXO Showtime episodes. I've seen their weekly idol appearances, all their appearances on Happy Camp, and of course all those crazy Vine videos which I love. I've seen those, but if anything else, like any specific video I have to watch, let me know below too so that I can see. Let me know who your biases is, and then also who your bias record is too. And what do you guys think about my bias list and also my description of my my adjective description for each of the members? Let me know below. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the other videos too, okay? Bye.
On Wednesdays we wear pink.